I'm transferring the soup from the hot and steamy pressure cooker into a more open, and actually it's a French cannonware. That way it stops the process of cooking, and the soup, everything will not be overcooked. Although it's a soup, it's supposed to be nice and soupy. Some dumplings, but it's a good idea to transfer the soup from the hot pot into something more cooling. That way it doesn't becomes too thick in the bottom area. So we got all kinds of healthy eating in here: mixed beans, carrots, celery. Got some fresh sage from the garden, and parsley, fresh parsley. Got some fresh thyme. Again, it's all about healthy eating. Got some green bananas, some plantain, some fresh beef from the butcher that was not frozen. I think that's a better idea for those of you who are able to eat beef. There is some plantain. And yes, I like to make my soup with lean meats. I just wanted to, what do you think? This is healthy eating. Have a great day. Dinner served.